What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we are going to discuss if it is possible to change slide to answer to accept or decline phone calls on iPhone. Now this is going to be quick and easy, so let's do this. Now, you may have noticed that you have two options when answering a call on your iPhone. Sometimes it would say slide to answer or decline, and other times it says accept or decline. Well, the slide to answer will only be available when your phone is locked. This feature is designed to prevent you from accidentally answering or declining a phone call while your phone is in your pocket or in your bag. Unfortunately, there is no way to change this, as this is a part of security system that your phone is using. Alright, so there we have it, guys. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.